Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. I am Paula. My channel is PJ Danita Trends, where I talk about all things trending in my life. And today we are in Walgreens doing another shopping trip. So they've got a sweet deal of the week that's at the front. They've already got Valentine's items out, so if you're looking for that, head on over to Walgreens. I can bypass all of that stuff right now. Today I've got earned $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $25. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I have a couple of items on my list that I actually really need. So I'm gonna start out just looking around to see what they have in the store. I have so much toothpaste in my stockpile that I don't really need toothpaste. But I usually do like to stock up on it when they've got a good promotion. Right now they do, but I think I'm gonna bypass that and just check out the mouthwash. I don't have any mouthwash remaining in my stockpile, so I'm just checking out what's on sale, what's on promotion, and doing a little bit of math in my head before I pick this up. I think I'm gonna go check out some other items and then come back and get this mouthwash to make the math work out for me later. So let's head on over to the laundry detergent aisle. Believe it or not, I'm also almost out of laundry detergent, so it is time for me to stock up on quite a few things. I love stocking up when the weather is warm because I don't like coming out of my house when the weather is cool or cold. And what ends up happening is we go through every single thing. Now, I know we don't need any toothbrushes, but I'm just looking in this area. So as the weather starts to get warmer, it's time for me to get out and do more shopping trips. So let's see what's remaining for this laundry detergent. They've got a promotion going on right now with Arm & Hammer, where if you buy one, you can get two for free. Normally it's at the front of the store, but they have the Valentine's items out. So this is it. I'm gonna grab 3 of these. I'm really surprised that they don't have more. I don't know if other shoppers have beat me to this promotion or if it's somewhere it's in the store. But anyway, I got my 3 for the week. So I'm gonna put those in the cart. And then let's head over to the storage bag section. I am also running a little low on the storage bags. And this week they've got the same promotion. If you buy one, you get 2 for free. So I can get a total of 3 storage bags for $2.79. So I think I have plenty of the snack size storage bags. So I think I'm gonna go with the sandwich size storage bags this week. Now, the Super Bowl is next weekend, and they've also got a promotion going on their paper products. So if you need plates or cups or plasticware, then this is a good week to head over to Walgreens to check out that promotion. I think you can earn an extra $5 back if you spend $25, and there may also be a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. I think that's what I read when I checked out the ad. Okay, so far we've got the laundry detergent and we've got the storage bags. So I know we're getting close. So let me go ahead and pick up this mouthwash now. I think I've decided to go with 3 of these Crest mouthwashes to make my math right from what I've calculated, because I'm just trying to get right over $25. So I grabbed 3 of these, and I'm torn. I need one more filler item. I think I need to spend about $2.75. So let's look at the foaming hand wash. I do like the Dow foaming hand wash. Let's see what the promotion is for this week. So that's not gonna work. So this week it's on sale. I know I had a $1 off coupon for that, but it's 2 for $5. And for the one that I like, the scent that I have, they only have 1 remaining. So that is not going to be a good filler item. The only other thing that I can think of for around $2.79 is the Suave deodorant. I like the Suave powder deodorant. and it's $2.99. So I'm just gonna grab this, head to the checkout, do the transaction, and we'll talk about it at the house. Okay, so we're back at the house, and this is the haul for today. So our goal was to spend $25 and earn $7. I did the transaction, did not have any issues, and ended up earning the $7 in Walgreens cash. So let's start with the laundry detergent. This week it's on sale. Buy one for $7.49 and get two for free. I got the Arm & Hammer plus OxyClean with Odor Blasters 5-in-1 power packs. And there are 14 in a pack. Eliminates tough odor, eliminates and attacks stains, whitens whites, brighten colors, and it also has a scent booster. And I got the one that says Fresh Burst. Next up, we've got the Complete Home storage bags. Now, I have a lot of the snack size bags, so I decided to go up a size, and we have 20 per box. These bags last me for quite a while. The promotion for this was also buy one and get two free. It also has the double zipper seal, and it is very much comparable to Ziploc bags. On the far end, we've got the Crest Clean Mint mouthwash. Now, I was completely out of mouthwash, and this is also alcohol-free. So I did decide to pick up 3 bottles of this to add back to my stockpile. And to get us to the $25 mark, I picked up the Suave deodorant. I like the powder scent, and it was a perfect filler item, and that put me just over $25. So now, let's take a look at the numbers. If you're interested in any of these items, check them out at Walgreens. If you don't have a Walgreens and you don't like couponing or you don't have time, I'll leave links in the description box below. These are our numbers for today. So as you can see, we're starting out with the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. The first one rang up for $7.49. Again, that promotion was buy one, get two free. And the second two rang up for $0.00. Same promotion with the storage bags. The first one rang up for $2.79, and the second two rang up for $0.00. And unfortunately, it looks like the register receipt was running out of ink, so it's hard to see some of these numbers. The Suave was my filler item, but it was $2.79. And then the Crest mouthwash, as you can see, I got 3 at $3.99. And that put me right at $25. So my subtotal was $25.04. Sales tax was $2, and I paid $27.04 out of pocket. After my transaction was complete, I ended up getting back $7.25. So that's what I earned this visit, bringing my closing balance to $7.72. So that is it. That's our haul for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for shopping with me in Walgreens. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Take care, and I will of course talk to you in my next video. Bye for now, everyone.